Hey guys, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can manage your iPhone battery life. Okay, because you have to be on top of the game to manage your battery life. The first way is for you to go to settings. All right, then you tap on display and brightness, then you make sure this one is activated to dark mode. Okay, you should not leave it on a light mode. Okay, you should make sure all the time to activate this dark mode option. The second option, guys, is for you again to go to settings, then you tap on display and brightness, then make sure this auto lock is set to 30 seconds. Okay, this is the second way on how you can manage your battery life. The third way on how you can manage your battery life, guys, you need to go to settings as well, then you scroll down all the way to accessibility, then you tap on display and text size, just like this, guys. Then you make sure this auto brightness is enabled. As you see, turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. Okay, these are the 3 ways, guys, that you can manage your battery life on iPhone. So please follow me on my TikTok if you want to receive daily tech tips. Okay, see you on my next video. Peace.